Welcome back to Tales from my collection. Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. If a window of opportunity appears, don't pull down the shade, but instead utilize it. A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity, because opportunities are usually disguised as hard work and most of the people fail to recognize them. Victory comes from finding opportunities in problems. A pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, but an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Don't miss the great opportunities in your life due to your misperception of time. To see an opportunity, you must be open to the thoughts. Opportunity is everywhere and you just need to develop a vision to see it. Opportunities don't happen, you will have to create them. Small opportunities are often the beginning of great achievements. Learn to climb the ladder of success by stepping on the steps of opportunity. Be ready to turn your obstacles into opportunities and your problems into possibilities. Make use of every opportunity that comes your way, which otherwise you will regret missing those opportunities leading to your success. Start your day considering it to be an opportunity to make a new happy ending. Don't burn your opportunities for your temporary comfort. If you get into the habit of focusing on problems, you will have more problems. But instead, if you learn to focus on the possibilities, the end result is that you will have more opportunities. Look at the challenges as opportunities. You see obstacles only when you take your eyes off your goal. Obstacles are like great wall in front of you. Do not turn back and run away on seeing it. Instead, learn to climb the wall. Life is full of challenges and being challenged in life is inevitable. You can decide about being a winner or not. Now, over to the story of the king who wanted a new minister. Once, there was a king who was in search of the right person to become his minister. The king sent a circular to all the people of his kingdom to participate in a swimming competition which he had organized to choose his minister. The people were excited and thrilled to become the king's minister, and each one dreamt of winning the competition to become the minister. The next day, all the participants who were competing for the post of the minister assembled around the lake where the competition was to be held. The king felt very happy on seeing the crowd of young men who appeared to be very confident, skilled, brave and ambitious. The king then told his soldiers to bring 100 alligators and release them into the lake, and then announced that the person who wanted to become his minister should swim amongst the alligators and successfully reach the other side of the lake. On hearing this announcement, most of the youngsters had a shock on their face and decided to retreat from their participation in the competition. But to the surprise of everyone, a young man jumped into the lake and started swimming across the lake to the opposite side. He managed to escape from the alligators due to his skill and tactics. As soon as he reached the other side of the lake, everyone praised him for his bravery. The king praised the young man and immediately appointed him as his minister. The young man was gasping for breath all the while, and when he gained his breath and energy to speak, he asked a question that shocked everyone. Can anyone guess the question which the young man would have asked? It was something which no one had expected. He asked the people who was the person who had pushed him into the water. That is when everybody realized that he did not jump into the water on his own. Initially, everyone who had assembled there dreamt of becoming the minister and was ready to swim across the lake. But when the king ordered his soldiers to release the alligators into the lake, most of them lost their confidence because it was a greater challenge which tested their bravery and confidence. This is how in our society people have a lot of dreams and want to become successful in their life. But the moment they face challenges in life, they lose their confidence and start ignoring their dreams and goals in life. It is because nobody wants to suffer, take risk, or undergo any kind of difficult situations. Many a times, they refuse to come out of their comfort zone. The young man who was forcibly pushed by an unknown person somehow managed to reach the other end of the lake successfully. It was not because of his confidence, but because he did not have any other option but to swim skillfully and save his life. He was not confident of his potential, but he tried his best only to save his life. Many of us tend to miss out the opportunities in life due to the lack of confidence in us. We wait for an external push by someone, and sometimes it never happens, and as a result, we lose out the opportunities that comes our way. Try to grab all the opportunities and confidently clear off all the obstacles in your path to succeed in life. Have a strong belief in yourself and face all the challenges and obstacles that come your way and change them into opportunities. Once again, I would like to tell you, do not wait, just grab the opportunities. Thanks for watching, take care and stay safe.